NASA's Webb telescope captures mesmerizing images of Jupiter's auroras. More on that coming up, but first, it's finally that time of year where you can sit on the beach or by the pool without freezing. Hallelujah. But that means you need a durable and portable speaker to accompany you. Right now, one of our favorite portable Bluetooth speakers for 2025 is back down to its record low price. You can pick up the Beats Pill for $100, down from $150, a 33% discount. We gave the Bluetooth speaker an 83 in our review, thanks in big part to its durability. The Beats Pill has an IP67 dust and water resistance rating, meaning it's dust tight and could last about 3 feet underwater for up to 30 minutes. So, if it accidentally tumbles into the pool, you shouldn't have to worry about it. And just about everyone can remember a good teacher who made a difference in their lives. If a teacher has helped you or your kids this year and you want to say thanks, we've got some ideas. All year, the Engadget team tests and reviews the best gadgets we can get our hands on, and we think some of them will make welcome gifts for educators. We've included our favorite e-reader, a few clever coffee accessories, a handy portable battery, some worthwhile subscription gifts, and more. No matter what they're into, you should be able to find something they'll appreciate here. Of course, a small gift card and a heartfelt thank you note are worthwhile teacher gifts too, especially if you spell all the words right. Check out our full list of the best gifts for teachers right now at Engadget.com. The James Webb Space Telescope, NASA's successor to the Hubble Space Telescope, has captured new images of the auroras at Jupiter's North Pole. These massive auroras, caused by charged particles crashing into Jupiter's atmosphere, are hundreds of times brighter than our own aurora borealis, and, for the first time, we can now see them in greater detail thanks to these new images. Auroras on Earth are caused by solar storms, which occur when charged particles from the sun collide with our upper atmosphere. This energizes the gases in the atmosphere, which gives them that distinctive colored glow that we know as the northern or southern lights. Among the coolest things we've gleaned from the telescope's observations is that particles from solar storms are not the only source for Jupiter's auroras. The giant planet's strong magnetic field is also pulling in charged particles from its surroundings, which includes particles thrown into the atmosphere from volcanic eruptions on Io, a moon orbiting Jupiter. Together, these varied sources lead to a more complex auroral system than the one on Earth. The high sensitivity of Webb's NIRCam, near-infrared camera, helps shed light, pun intended, on the rapidly changing features of Jupiter's auroras. Scientists were able to see details and bright spots that weren't visible with Hubble. Jonathan Nichols, who leads the team at the UK's University of Leicester that captured the images, shared his excitement over the discovery with NASA. In describing seeing the images, he said, "What a Christmas present it was. It just blew me away." In describing what they learned from the images, he explained, "We wanted to see how quickly the auroras change, expecting them to fade in and out ponderously, perhaps over a quarter of an hour or so. Instead, we observed the whole auroral region fizzing and popping with light, sometimes varying by the second." The team was able to capture images of the auroras from the Hubble and Webb telescopes simultaneously, which allowed them to directly compare data from both ultraviolet and near-infrared images at once. It became evident with these comparisons that the Webb telescope was capturing details and nuance that the Hubble was completely missing. This is a testament to the power of the newer telescope and raised further questions about how the auroras function. Researchers hope these findings will help them further understand the inner workings of Jupiter's magnetic field and even help provide insights into how the planet heats and cools. There is a lot to learn about the gas giant's atmosphere, and these images are just one step along the way. Thanks for listening to the show. Make sure to rate, review, and subscribe on Apple Podcasts. Today's show featured journalism by Engadget contributor Andre Ravilla and was produced by Spoken Layer. I'm Imran Sheikh, and as always, we'll talk more tomorrow.
spoken layer.